Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can back up Telegram on Android. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you just need to go to your top left corner where you can find this three lines option and then go to settings. Once you are in the settings, you scroll a bit down until you find this data and storage option, and now just go to these items. When using mobile data, you can have it as custom as you want. Auto download media should be on. You can choose Wi-Fi, auto download should be on over here as well, and then when roaming also should be on. So once you do that, once all are turned on, now what you need to do is you need to go to your new, let's say, device, and then just log in with your account, and then now you can have your Telegram backed up. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.